Hi, good evening, everyone. Today's webinar session is on the FPO by Power Grid and two tax-free bond issues, namely HUDCO and NTPC. We'll begin with the FPO of Power Grid. The issue opens today, the 3rd of December, and it closes on the 6th of December. So as you can see, there are only 3 days for the issue. So any potential clients who would like to subscribe in this, you should get it done as soon as possible. Yeah. The price band is from 85 to 90 rupees, which is approximately 4.5 rupees below the market price as on the issue time, which was around 94.50. The minimum application size is 150 shares and it has to be in multiples thereof, right? So for example, if you are planning to put in a bid of 85 rupees 50 paise, the minimum bid amount that you could put is 12,825. As you can see, we've multiplied 150 with 85.5. Similarly, the maximum you could have invested is 2,250 shares, again at 85.50, which totals up to 1,92,000 plus. As you know, the individual limit is the maximum of 2 lakhs. Yeah. The modes in which your clients can invest in this is either online or offline. For offline, you'll have to fill out an application form, as you know. You'll have to make a check in favor of escrow account -PGCIL public offer -R. Right? Anyways, the details of the same will also be on the form, so you don't really need to remember this right now. Going ahead, the Ventura's recommendation on this is we have issued a subscribe call for this issue, and we've emailed the details of the report to you as well. So please read the report and share it with your clients. Also the same needs to be done as soon as possible as the issue space is, as we don't have too much time for subscribing to the issue. Yeah. Our view on who should invest in this. So typically you're looking at a client who's holding Power Grid in his portfolio. As you know, it works as an arbitrage opportunity for him. He gets the share at a 5% discount to current market value. Also, anyone else who's looking for long-term buys, it's a very good stock to invest into. It's a stable stock, and we've sent a detailed report of the same to you. Please go through it and explain it to your clients. Yeah. Going ahead, we'll be talking about the tax-free bond issue. I'm just going to quickly read out the details of the issue to you. As you can see, we have two issues. One is the first one being HUDCO bond, HUDCO tax-free bond, which the issue opened yesterday on the 2nd of December. For individuals, there are 3 tenures in which you can invest in, either for 10 years, 15 years, or the 20 years, or 20 years. The tax-free return that has been declared for the 10 years is 8.76%. For the 15 years is 8.83%, and for the 20 years is 9.01%. Yeah. Okay, my mic went off. Yeah, as you can see, the tenure for the issue is, the tenure for the HUDCO bond issue is 10, 15, and 20 years. The tax-free return that you can expect, that has been declared rather, on the 10 years is 8.76%, 8.83 for the 15 years, and 9.01% tax-free for the 20-year issue. If you calculate this to a pre-tax return for a 30% for a client in a 30% tax bracket, it roughly works out to 12.68% for the 10-year subscription, 12.78 for the 15, and 13.04 for the 20-year. Yeah. For the individuals, the maximum investment amount is 10 lakhs. So you have to be within the limit to get this yield. Yeah. For individuals who are looking for the NTPC bond, which is started today, the 3rd of December, the 10, 15, 20-year yield tax-free is at 8.66, 8.73, and 8.91%. We've also sent you emails with the details of the same. Yeah. Again, The pre-tax returns we're calculating here is we're looking at it from a point of view of a client who's being taxed at 30%, and thus doing a reverse calculation and working out his pre-tax return. Who are we recommending this to? Venture, we would recommend this to any client who would be in a 20 to 30% tax slab, as vis-a-vis his FD investments. This would yield him a lot more. Yeah. The rating on the HUDCO is AA+, which is a very good rating, and on the NTPC is a AAA rating, and hence you can see the 10 basis points difference as the NTPC issues rated slightly better. Yeah. But having said that, they're fully government-run companies, and hence they're reasonably safe to be investing. Yeah. The application process for online clients, or rather for clients who want to invest in this through the online route, is well, for you, what you would have to do is go to our website at venture1.com, log in to the branch login with your branch login credentials. Once you're on it, under online services, you could see IPO and bonds, and hence, once you click into this, you can see how easy it is to invest for any of your clients, for either an IPO or for a bond. If you can't see these icons, please feel free to contact us at 67547000. You could either ask for Vishal, Viren, or Nirmal. We would be more than happy to get this sorted out for you. Yeah, the application process for offline is, you would have already received a link from our end where you can download these forms. Please download and print these forms as per your requirement. Please do not photocopy these forms, as these forms, every form has a unique serial number, and if you photocopy them, you can't really use two forms with the same serial number, and hence the whole process would be futile. In any case, if you haven't received the link for the forms, we're going to send it out to you today evening, and you should have it. By the 3rd of December. Yeah. Thank you for attending this webinar. We're recording this session, and we should also be able to share it with you shortly for you to go through any point that you may have missed out. Alternatively, you can feel free to give us a call anytime, or even email us at fbo@venture1.com. Thank you.